Transferring money from Cebuana to Gcash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Cashing in for Gcash accounts is now available via Cebuana Lulier's 2,500 branches nationwide, making the pandemic essential digital wallet more accessible. You may not see Cebuana Lulier in the cash-in options with the Gcash app, but all Cebuana Lulier branches still accept Gcash cash-ins. To cash in, all you have to do is go to the nearest Cebuana Lulier branch and bring a valid ID. There, you will be asked to fill out a form to transfer your physical money to your digital wallet. After your transaction is processed, you will receive a text message from Gcash confirming the receipt of the funds. Now, you can check your Gcash account to confirm that the funds have been deposited. Also, make sure to keep your transaction receipt and reference number for your records. Additionally, be aware of any service fees associated with the transaction, as these may vary depending on the amount transferred and the specific Cebuana Lulier branch you visit.